good, y'all? So we're back with another one. So we're actually doing a slab for a shed, as you see. We had got it done yesterday. I didn't really get much videos, but today y'all gonna see us in action. Pray for me. I'm working with my dad today, don't tell him. But y'all already know, stay tuned with it. Guys, I'm about to say he can back up to you if you want. He can back up to you if you want it. Okay. Everybody prices their price, nothing wrong with that, but we just try to keep it all in house. Yeah. Slow that one a little bit. Yeah,
Hard part right there. Take a lid on the board and pull it from right here. Move your head all the way around so it don't fall outside. Good.
What does a little job like this go for nowadays?
What you say?
What does a job like this go for nowadays?
Oh, about 2,000.
About 2,000?
Get your rig and lay it on this board right here. And pull it down so it don't fall over. We want to let all the concrete stay inside. Ain't got nothing to spare. I did bring 2 extra bags and make sure it stay inside. There you go.
Yeah, no.
All right. I hope that driver, you didn't load the truck, did you?
You got the hose left.
I know.
Okay. So I think
it should be enough.
I think you should get them maybe if anything around here. But I hope
That's exactly a yard and a half. It's a 10 by 12.
The thing when you order exact, like the scales sometimes maybe a little bit
Well,
off.
that's on the company. Because if you give me, you're gonna take this measurement yourself
Yeah, no,
and
for
say,
sure.
yeah, and then that's exactly a yard and a half.
Yeah, so some people they order a little bit more.
Yeah,
just
but
to be safe.
I know. But if I know that's what I usually do if the job big enough. But a job this small, the little bit more you order, you got to clean it up,
Yeah,
haul it away,
problem.
right?
Yeah, tell them. Oh. All right, you want me to wash out? Yeah. That's
Right up there for it. Get alongside the board. I got a hole right here. There you go. There you go. Hole right there. Right there. Right there. Right here. Same place. Right there you go. Run, stand there, let that concrete go in there. Give me that water. Give me that water in here. Scoop it back in the wheelbarrow. Ride the board. Go on the other side and push it back toward me. Okay, rest of it. Come on, push it. Okay. Wax it off. There you go. That's gonna bring water.
I know I'm not using it for that.
Take the ridges and spread them, push them out to the middle. Go stop in the corner. Stop in the corner. There you go. Right there. And try not to mess up your head. Push that super. Stop just put your head, push the super back out your middle. Catch that red right there now. Push it back out. Around, pick it up, sit on top of that red. Go around to there, sit on, push it out. Out. So you don't mess. In, so you don't mess up your head joint. Take it away from your head joint. Don't do that. Keep making a puddle in the middle. Keep going all the way around. Out, out, out. There you go. That's a little wet, so let's leave that one. You can do it real light, real light. Real light. Stop. Take that ridge out. Take that back that way. That's not what we can do with it right now. It's still wet. It's up to that little poke you got right there. Bring it all the way back to the stack door. Bring it all the way to the stack door. Where I'm standing. Right, right. Just wet that part all we do. We can clean this wheelbarrow.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. 10 by 12 slab for a shed. Remember, if you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe. Keep God first. You already know what we buy. You already know what we doing. We out.